Today I'll be showing you how to mix, not how to mix. Today I'll be showing you how to make a beat, mostly rap beats. So let's get in. I made the beat on FL. The beat sounds like this. So let's listen it from the beginning to where the beat sounds like this. So let me mute everything. Don't get bored, because don't forget also to subscribe and leave a comment there. The beat sounds like this. Before going far, let's listen to the first thing I started with the piano, and the piano was sounding like this. I know you have heard it. The keys are used, the K, A, F, E, D, E, C, and it looked like this. These upside are just I transposed them up. They were here, so it sounds like this, very soft. And remember, when you're making your chords, you have to at least balance the volume so that it doesn't sound robotic. So after finishing that one, I went ahead and added the bass first. So I'm giving you what I started with. I started the beat like that you're seeing. So I added this bass here. Here. So the bass are following just the root note F, E, D, C. Yeah. And I went ahead and took the chords from the piano. The piano is just a piano from FL, and took the chords to here, Xenology, and added on Xenology, and this how they sound like. Yeah, very simple. Just they're just following the chord. Let me search for it. Very simple. So after that, because of this beat, I made this beat because of this verse from the Bible. The
Lord is my protector.
So after making the beat, I came and added the chorus
here. The Lord is my protector.
Very simple.
My God is
very
my
simple.
Protector.
After adding the chorus, I added the
Lord is my protector.
How can I call them? I came and added the backup. Very simple. The backup. Very simple. I don't know what is happening. Did I add something here? Yeah, I see. Yeah. So after that, I added some stacks on the chorus. Stuck. These tracks are from the other day. I'll teach you how to add them.
He is my song fortress. My God is my protection, and with him I'm safe.
After adding that, I had to go to the verse part, and I had to add this verse.
My God is my protection, and with him I'm safe.
Yeah, I'm safe. He protects me and saves me from violence. I call to the Lord, He saved me from my enemies. Praise the Lord. The waves of death were all around me.
After doing that, I went ahead and I felt I'm missing something. Also, this one is the verse. I'm missing something. I added this flute.
My God is my protection.
And the flute is playing just on the one part of the chorus, and I cutted it to some parts of the verse.
God is my protector. He is my song fortress. My God is my protection, and with him I'm safe. Lord is my protector.
So So after finishing that, I went ahead and felt like this song is missing something. I added some snare first, this snare.
The Lord is my protection.
Snare and the snaps. If you are hearing some snaps.
My God is my protection, and with Him I'm safe.
They are very simple. See? If you add, very simple. And I went ahead and added some snares, some kicks. So after adding kicks, I added an 808.
He is my strong fortress. God is my protection.
Also the 808, I'll show you my 808, how the 808 was. My 808 is very simple. Is here. You can copy it and use it on your next beat. And added some hi-hat here. After adding that, I had it. Let's just hear the drum pattern. Only drum pattern. Whoa. It's G-scale, baby. So all the things, after adding all the things, the beat will sound like.
Lord is my protector. He is my strong fortress. God is my protector, and with Him I'm safe. Lord is my protector. He is my strong fortress. God is my protector, and with Him I'm safe.
I'm safe. He protects me and saves me from violence.
There's just the bass.
Save me from my enemies. Praise the Lord. The waves of death were all around me. The waves of destruction rolled over me. The danger of death was around me, and the grave set a trap for me in my trouble fall.
So the beat was very simple, just like that. Very simple. So what I can ask you, just give me a subscribe, and next I'm going to bring the video of it, how to mix the beats like pros, you know. I know many of you are watching YouTube videos, but YouTube videos are a lot of crap diggers. I've been watching YouTube video like 5 years. I never learned anything until I took a step and went further and purchased a real video from pros who mix like real. I know many of YouTubers are learners, and also some of them, they can't show you the trick, but on the next video I'm going to show you the trick. Keep it up, man. I'm out.
Foundation of the sky rock and beat, because God was angry. Smoke poured out of His missile, a consuming flame and burning cause from His mouth. He threw the sky apart and came down. The dark cloud under His feet.
The Lord is my protector. He is my strong fortress. My God is my protection, and with Him I'm safe. The Lord is my protector. He is my strong fortress. My God is my protection, and with Him safe.
The Lord reached down from above and took hold on me. He got me out of the deep waters. He rescued me from powerful enemies and from those who